The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is poised to transform what smartphones are capable of, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra could very well be its ultimate showcase. Picture this: having the power of artificial intelligence right at your fingertips without the need for cloud connections or waiting. This isn't just about speed, it's about offering users greater control and privacy. With Qualcomm's latest processor, Samsung is making a significant leap, potentially bringing on-device AI image editing to life. A fascinating feature recently discovered in the Snapdragon 8 Elite's code reveals something intriguing. FEATURE_GEN_EDI_OWN_device. This suggests that soon users might be able to edit their photos directly on their Galaxy S25 Ultra with the help of AI, all without needing an internet connection. This is similar to Apple's approach with its intelligence technology, which focuses on processing tasks locally rather than relying on the cloud. The implications of this are immense. Your data remains secure on your device, and there's no need for constant internet access, making this feature both convenient and privacy-focused. But this is just the beginning of Samsung's plans to integrate AI into its flagship devices. Alongside the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung will also introduce a revamped version of the Bixby AI Assistant. Powered by a large language model, the new Bixby could go head-to-head with Apple's digital assistant and might even surpass it. Imagine having a digital assistant that understands you better, responds more intelligently, and integrates seamlessly into your daily routine. If Samsung gets it right, Bixby could become the standout feature of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Another interesting detail from the leaked code reveals that the entire Galaxy S25 lineup will use Snapdragon processors exclusively. This means no more regional variations with Exynos chipsets, which ensures that all users will have access to the same level of performance. Qualcomm's processors are renowned for their speed and efficiency, and their presence in the S25 series will give Samsung's flagship devices a competitive edge in the smartphone market. As for the Galaxy S25 Ultra itself, leaked specifications suggest it will be a powerhouse, even if it doesn't differ drastically from its predecessor. One of the most exciting upgrades could be the return of 16 gigabytes of RAM, a feature last seen in the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This boost in memory could significantly improve the performance of on-device AI tasks, such as image editing, making the S25 Ultra even smarter. Combined with the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could set a new standard for what smartphones can do. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a central focus for smartphone manufacturers, and it's easy to see why. While some may dismiss it as just another trend, AI has the potential to make a real difference. From simplifying complex tasks to enhancing creativity, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we use our devices. On-device AI features like image editing are only the beginning, and in just a few years, AI can handle tasks that we can't even imagine today. For now, AI promises to improve everyday experiences in ways that make smartphones smarter, faster, and more intuitive. Samsung's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AI is an exciting prospect for the smartphone market. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another device, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With on-device AI image editing, a smarter Bixby assistant, and the power of Snapdragon processors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra aims to be more than just a phone. It could very well become an essential companion that understands and anticipates the needs of its user. As the launch of the Galaxy S25 series draws closer, it's clear that Samsung is setting the stage for a new era of smartphones. The company is not only focusing on hardware, but also on the software that drives its devices. With features like AI-powered image editing, a revamped Bixby assistant, and a consistent performance powered by Snapdragon processors, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to be more than the sum of its parts. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the exciting possibilities of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its game-changing technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.